Hi everyone, it's another day and this time we're gonna do unboxing. This will be our second time doing unboxing for this month of May. So I have a few items here that I will unbox. So first, I will start in a small package. So, oh, this is an SD card. Yeah, it's an SD card. Actually, you can just buy it in the ano, but the last time I go there, they don't have a stock. So rather than going around, so it's better just to order it. So this is the first one. It's the SD card. That's Okay, let's open the second one. Okay. This is the second. Oh. It's a microphone. Actually, this will be my fourth. This will be my fourth microphone. I have the rest of the microphone from it's for the Android, and then I'm not really using my Android when doing video because every time I go out, I only bring one phone with me. So I need to buy something that I can use on the phone that I really use. So this one is for hopefully this is the correct one. I'm not the one who ordered it, my partner. So yeah, dang, it's nice. Actually, I have already like this, but I don't understand, like it keep blinking, it doesn't connect. So hopefully this one is working. So that's the one. And they have what is that? Okay, I have 4 microphones already and 2 for Android that I never use yet, and then the other one is for the iPhone, which is I use, and I don't wow, they have got like this. I don't understand why it's keep blinking. Maybe I don't do it correctly, I don't know. So what okay, this is the third. I don't know what is this. So this is the third package. Okay. Actually, we can buy it in the store, but ilang ta mag-mention of store kaya maimpas dito ko. But kanang kuan siya. We have 2 flavors only, so we decided just to order it because we don't want the other flavors. They only have chocolate and strawberry. So this is our third. Okay, let's do our 4th package. Okay. This is a Jello molder. My partner likes Jello so much, so and then we have a one, but I don't have a good molder, so I decided to buy. Okay. Is it 2 or what? It's not a silicone. It doesn't silicone. It's plastic. Anyway, this is the Jello molder. So and they have a cover. The good thing with this is there's a cover, so you can just put it in the refrigerator without worrying something will fill it. So that's it. And then this one, I think I know it right. It's another dress. Every time he orders something, he always puts some dresses or something for me. I'm gonna try it on later, but I think this is like a dress that you can wear on the church, because mostly of my dresses are like this. So you know, I need to have a scarf or a blazer on it if I go to the church. So maybe that's why he buy me this. Okay, this is the one. Try it on later because I need to go out. This is a quick unboxing because I need to go out. And this is in the box. So I don't know why it's in the box. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a cake mix. Again, it's hard to find it in the store. That's why we order it. So, you know, I'll hope. Let's see the expiration. Because the last time it got expired. We forgot that we have it. So this time I'm gonna do some new recipes for Rokuan. I'm gonna try something. So this is be expired first month of next year. Okay, so they put it together. Another one. So we have peach here, and what's this? Oh, I think I'm gonna try this one. We got peach and orange, and my favorite, because I'm doing now. I try my kuano nga not drinking instant coffee and drinking now roasted coffee. So that's why I have this. This is cheaper when you buy it online. I don't know on the kuano. So this is all that I buy for, this is all the order that I got for today. So that's it. So I need to get ready to go to start my day. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.